What's up, YouTubers? Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your inner tube or your bicycle tire. Whoops. Alright, first step first, we're going to have to disconnect our brake. So basically you're just going to squeeze it together, lift up the cable, and then the brakes just come undone like that. Go ahead and flip the bike upside down so it's resting on its seat. Now we're going to undo our quick release. Just pull that out. Now you unscrew both ends a little bit. Alright, now's a good time to put on some gloves if you don't want to get your hands greasy, because we got to remove the chain from the cog, and you just basically pulling the chain and you slip it over onto the side. Lift it up and pull it between our brake. Unscrew your valve stem cap. Now we're going to pull the tire and the tube off. If you've got some tire levers, they're like these little pry tools to help pry the tire off around the rim. Use those, but I can usually get mine off without those. Go ahead and push the valve stem up into the rim. I'm just going to pull the whole tire around the rim. Got to kind of stretch it over there. Now the whole thing should come right off. Okay, so let's take the tube out of the tire. Now you can pick up a little kit like this to patch your tire and keep this with you when you're on the go. Alright, let's go ahead and take our new tube. Now I like to pump mine up some before I put it back in the tire. I like to put some baby powder on the tire before reinstalling it. Just lightly dust it over there. This will help it from binding on the tire or sticking to the tire over time. Let's put the tube back in the tire. Now we'll take our rim, remembering if there's a directional pattern on the tire, over the stem. Pull the tire over the rim. Careful not to pinch the tube between the tire and the rim. Now we're going to slip the tire back in, and when we do that, we're going to put it around the cog, the gear, with the chain. Go ahead and tighten both sides a little bit. We want this quick release to be tight, but not too tight as to slow down the wheel. There we go. Make sure your valve stem's nice and straight. Now we can pump up our tire. Now we can flip our bike back over. Now we're going to reconnect the brakes. Just do that by pushing it back in like we did before. Snaps in. Make sure it works good. Lift up your tire, make sure it's not dragging. And that's it, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Commence battle.